Good morning, beautiful friends. Welcome to the garden. I am showing you guys this side, which is I never have time to clean her, but I finally cut the grass and trim some of those flowers. As pretty soon here, she's going to be full with some blue, beautiful flowers. Excuse me, my trash can. I need to put it in the back, but I want to show you guys this was tree. That was a wash tree. That used to be an wash tree. And I think I got two other wash tree in the other place where I went. But guys, look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. She's a Florent Brenda. Oh, she's not only giving a lot, and they're so beautiful. I love this color. But guys, there's a pink color right there. She's this one is really pink. And I don't know, this used to be white and this red. That you know, that was not red, that was fuchsia color. That was this color, that was supposed to be this color, guys. But she's changing into a beautiful shore. I love this one. Look at this. I let her do whatever she want to do here, and I will remove her when I have time. I think what I'm going to do, I can cut her and make more of small little bush with her to see if she can take, because pretty much I'm pretty good on cutting some flowers, guys. Don't worry about my fountain, guys. I don't use them. They like this. Actually, I grow flowers on them. I think I can come back and grow some flowers on them. That's what I'm going to do. Yes, guys, I just want to show you how beautiful is this. And even this evergreen, she's always falling all the time. I tied her down a little bit, and now she's pushing out some new grow right here. I love this color right here. But oh my God, I love this. I love this beauty. I love this beauty. And I'm not even done with this side. I have a lot of things to do, but I love what I'm seeing so far. I just want to show you guys what's going on here. Thank you so much for watching. See you for another garden video with me.